Today, let's talk about 5 proven ways to make him miss you. Ladies, he won't be able to resist. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And just before I will share with you those 5 proven ways, why don't you go ahead to my website and check out my book? It's called Devoted Relationships. I highly recommend you to get it if you would like to have a healthy, happy relationship. So now, without further ado, the way number 1. Give him space. Men tend to miss someone when we are not constantly available. So step back and allow him to have some time to think about you, to miss you. Ladies, when you're always around, when you're always there with him, when you're always spending time with him, when you see him more than 2 times a week, he won't have a chance to reflect on what he's missing. Even when you're texting him nonstop all day, every day, how will he miss you? Therefore, give him space. Space creates a sense of mystery and makes your presence way more valuable. Number 2 would be independent. Ladies, when you have your own life, your own goals, your own dreams, when you're focusing on all of these things, you're showing that you're not dependent on him. And ladies, when you're not dependent on a guy, this is when we find it highly attractive, because it becomes like nearly like his goal to get you a bit more dependent on you. He starts to think like, why is she so independent? Why is she not dropping her life for me? Does she like not into me that much? So it makes him think about you a bit more, reflect back a little bit more about your relationships, and even give you more. So being independent and focusing on your goals and dreams not only make him miss you, but it actually even makes him pursue you. Number 3 would be leave on a high note. Ladies, don't drag it out. If you are having a conversation on a phone and you're laughing and you're talking and everything's fine, enjoy the conversation, wait until it stops, and then leave on a high note instead of trying to keep going, to keep asking different questions. Or if you're in person and you're really enjoying your time together and you feel like you've been together for more than a few hours, maybe it's time to go home so he appreciates when you guys are together and misses you when you're not around. Number 3, be positive, happy, and fun. Ladies, think about it. Who wants to spend time with people over and over again when you're just nagging, complaining, you have a lot of issues, you have a lot of drama going on in your life? Ladies, when you're talking about these things over and over again and that's all you're sharing, you're basically leaving him with a heavy baggage, with a heavy energy. And nobody wants to repeat that. So actually, instead of spending more time with you, he wants to step back from you. And here comes the number 5. Limit contact. Ladies, don't be overly eager. Don't be overly available. That's when he sees when you're actually overly eager. So limiting your texts, calls, or hangouts makes him realize your absence. He will be thinking about what are you up to, and he will be more likely to miss you when you're not constantly in touch. Therefore, creating a healthy balance between staying connected to him and giving him time to reach out, it's insanely important in a happy, healthy relationship. And it makes him miss you like crazy. So ladies, if you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. If you would like some one-on-one coaching and for me to guide you, perhaps you're having problems, issues, and you would like him to fall in love with you and miss you more and to bring back the spark into your relationship, ladies, I would highly recommend you to give it a try, and If you want to give it a try, book me for coaching and I'll be there to guide your every single step and tell you exactly what to do and how to behave. And if you don't want to book me and you would like to learn independently, I have a high value women course for sale. I have videos such as how to stay attractive via text, games men play, how to set in healthy boundaries with a guy, how to go from single to a happy, healthy relationships, like step-by-step guidance. It's all you need to know. And I also have a video, differences between men and women, and this video I would say is highly recommended, especially if you're married. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love, kisses from UK. Bye.